What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Appreciate Your Projects. So a couple things today that I'm working on, and I just wanted to show you what I'm doing. Typically I like to recondition lead acid batteries and try to get them back to 100%, and in my lawnmower I did that, but what ended up happening, it shorted out internally and wasn't able to keep voltage, so I had to replace it. And so today what I've done is I've built a battery pack for it, and it's just something I threw together real quick. Some cells I had laying around. So these are headway cells. I got them at batteryhookup.com, and they are they're 8 amp hour and they're 200 amp draw that you can pull out of these things quickly. And so what I've done is I've created my own bus bars with old copper piping that came out of my house, and I flattened it and then cut it and drilled it and all that fun stuff. I glued the cells together, and then for the bottom cap, what I did was I got a piece of plastic here and I milled out the center, this trough here, so that it'll fit over here. I'm going to affix this to the cells like the bottom one is, and then what I've done is drilled 2 holes in here so that the ends here, the positive and negative, that I can reach them from the top, the screws that go in, and the battery terminal, the leads that typically would go to the battery can fit from the side there. And then I can screw it in from the top, secure it down. All right, after some hack job modifications and a little bit of sweat due to the sun beating on my face, I finally got it installed. And so I'm gonna show you real quick what I did. All right, so here it is back down in here. Let's see if I can show it to you. I had to cut that one side out in order to be able to slide those terminals in, those wire ends. So, and then I still have to put the bar. There's a bar that hooks in the back and comes across, and it'll push this down. It's the right height, and then it'll bolt in the front to keep that from wiggling. So she works really good, actually. So I was kind of surprised at how well it turned over. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate your projects. This is it for today. Just wanted to show you what I was doing. And those headway cells work really well for motorcycle, lawnmower batteries, whatever.